Hello everyone, I am Mithuman143 and this small tutorial I am going to show you how to make a gaming page on Facebook and how to live stream from that gaming page. And the very small tutorial, first of all you have to go create a page, and well, you can take any name, and it should not be brand or business, it should be a community or public figure. So I'm going to get started, and I'll just put any name for this sake. So I'm going to put, let's say, migration. I don't know why I chose that name, but migration it is. And the category is the important part. It should be gaming video creator. This is very important, by the way, guys. You should always put it gaming video creator, or else you'll not be eligible for level up maybe in the future for partner. So it should be gaming video creator. So my page name is migration, and it is a gaming video creator. You have to continue, and you have to wait a little bit for the page to be created. And once it's created, you have to upload a profile picture. I'm going to skip this. I'm going to skip the cover picture too, because this is not important at the moment. You can do this later too, or you can do it on the spot, up to you. And none of this matters right now. Only thing that matters is the creator studio. So go to the creator studio, and it will give you a introduction, but I don't think you can skip this. So you're just gonna go get started, and this is the main thing you want for the whole streaming thing. So basically what you need is it's still loading, but what you need is a content library inside. These are the whole stuff that's going to help you to understand what you're streaming and how much feedback are you getting from the viewers and everything. So let me just refresh this page one if I can. Yeah, alright. So we're gonna finish this later, close. Okay, so what you need to do to stream is, first of all, go to creative tools, and you have to agree that, and go to live dashboard. This is the main thing. So once you go there, you can see it's the level up program, creator switch to gaming video creator page, and we have already done that. Stream video gaming content for at least 4 hours in the last 14 days. So the more you stream, it will get a tick mark. Stream same thing, have at least 100 followers, and stream for an eligible country. So you should be from a eligible country to stream that. So let's check out, if you don't know which are the eligible countries, the list will show here. From Asia, most countries are eligible, but if you're unlucky, you will not be like one of them. So do check this thing out. If you are from an eligible country, the green mark will automatically be there. And that's it for now. And now the later part is that once you have done everything, you're in this page, you're ready, your OBS is ready, and everything is ready. In case you don't know about that part, I'll make another tutorial video for that. But if you do know, if you are already into streaming and if you want to try Facebook, so go to go live, click on go live, and so when you click that, this interface will come on. Once it's here, so first of all, it's a live video title. So suppose if you are going to stream CSGO, so just write CSGO here, and this is the description, your specs and stuff and everything you want to write. Tag the game, that's I'm going to say CSGO, and that's it. Here this part is done. The important part is here, the user stream key. So you're gonna go to OBS and copy this in our settings, and the stream key should be copied there. Once it's done, and you can just press on go live, and this whole thing will pop up. And if you want to go in deep with this whole how to manage your OBS and connect it to your page, if you want that video, hit the like button and comment it down. I'll make another video on that. And that's it for now. I hope that this video helped you out, and do tell me if you have any queries, and write down in the comments below. Thank you.